Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to do this type of eye makeup only using a kajal and contour. Actually, this is a very easy eye makeup. All can do it very easily. Only need a kajal. I am using here Mars eyebrow pencil to make my eyebrow. Just comb it and fill lightly. After that, I'm using a black eyeshadow and angular brush to define my eyebrow. After that, I'm using a concealer which is a little pro concealer, and using with the help of this brush, I'm defining my eyebrow. I'm see the difference before and after. Now I'm using compact powder from Sugar Pop and pressing my eyes. After that, using RENEE Midnight Kajal to make this eye makeup, I'm drawing an eyeliner with the help of this kajal. This is very black and this is much proof, waterproof. Now I will use this type of brush to smudge it, to smudge this kajal, to make this type of look. After that, I have taken a contour shade from Sugar and a fluffy. Now I will draw a line in the lower waterline with the help of this kajal, and I will repeat it for 2 times to intensify it. And with the help of this brush, I am making a line just under the lower waterline to give it a depth. After that, with the help of this brush, I am smudging it. After that, I have taken this color and this brush to make a line under the kajal. Take fluffy brush and just brush it off. Completing my eye makeup with the help of mascara from Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. That's it, and this is done. And this is the final eye makeup you can see. So this is before and after. You can see the difference. I will come with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you. All the product links I have given in the description box. Just go and check out.